Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Pancit Palabok. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have ground pork. We have pork rind or chicharron. We got tinapa flakes. We have shrimp, annatto powder or atsuete, cornstarch, young onions. We have chopped onions. We got hard-boiled eggs. We have soy sauce, patis or fish sauce, oil, and garlic. What we have done here already is we soaked the noodles for 30 minutes in water, and then we boiled it for 15 to 20 minutes, so it will become soft like what you see here. And then we will prepare the sauce, and we will cook the noodles also with the sauce. The pork rinds or chicharron, we're gonna grind this in small pieces. So we're gonna use this for toppings, as well as the smoked fish and shrimp, and of course the egg. So let's proceed to cooking. Now our hot pan here, put some olive oil, put our onions, let's give it a minute to cook. Now we will put our garlic. Alright, give it 30 seconds to cook. Now this is the perfect time to put our ground pork. Okay, we'll cook our ground pork maybe for 5 to 7 minutes. Let's put a little bit of fish sauce and stir it. All right, and then we'll cover this and let it saute for 2 minutes. After 2 or 3 minutes, here's our pork. Now we're gonna continue simmering this. We have to add some pork stock. Okay, and we're gonna put this to boil. Let's cover it. After 5 minutes, we're gonna add our shrimp. We're gonna let the shrimp be cooked with the ground pork, and then once it's cooked, we will set them aside. Let's cook it for the next 3 minutes. Let's put a little of pepper. All right, cover it. The shrimp and pork, ground pork, are cooked already, so we're gonna set this aside. Now we will put the annatto powder or atsuete to give a good coloring. All right, and give it a stir, and then we will set this aside for a few minutes because we're gonna soak the noodles here. So the noodles will have all the taste of this shrimp and ground pork.
Okay.
Now here's the leftover of the sauce. Now we're gonna make this thick by putting cornstarch. So we soak already the noodles here, and we set aside the pork and shrimp. Now we're gonna put cornstarch so it will become thicker, and before we mix it with the noodles. All right. Now the sauce is thick already, so we're gonna use this to pour into the noodles, and we're gonna put our toppings, the pork, the shrimp, and as well as the smoked fish and pork rind and egg. So we'll be right back. Here's the finished product. Pancit Palabok. We put already the egg, the pork rind or chicharron, the smoked fish, the pork and shrimp on top. So this is the finished product. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.